Welcome to Safe Trailering. This course is designed to provide you some basic lessons on trailers and towing basics, supplementing your driver's education curriculum. This course will take you through an introductory overview of basic trailer towing equipment and general principles. You will also learn the importance of loading a trailer properly and what to do if a trailer begins to sway. Trailers are tow vehicles designed to be pulled by a car or truck. Trailers are unique and can vary in size, design, and purpose. Trailer sizes range from those with a cargo capacity of a couple of hundred pounds to over 10,000 pounds cargo capacity. These include cargo trailers, car haulers, boat trailers, horse trailers, flat trailers, and camper trailers, amongst the most popular. You may find yourself renting a trailer, using a friend's trailer, or purchasing and towing your own trailer. To determine how much your equipment can tow and how much cargo your trailer can hold, you should consult your tow vehicle and trailer owner's manuals, or speak with your trailer sales representative or trailer rental agent to discuss your specific towing combination and needs. In Lesson 1, we'll go over basic principles of towing a trailer. The following lessons include your hitch system, hooking up your trailer, trailer braking systems, loading and securing your load, driving tips, backing up a trailer, and a brief summary. Lesson 1. Basic Introduction to a Trailer and Hitch System. The hitch system is made up of several components attached at the rear of the towing vehicle, which provides the connection between the tow vehicle and the trailer. The hitch ball is a ball-shaped part of the hitch. The hitch ball is mounted on the ball mount, and the ball mount goes into the vehicle's hitch. All three components make up the hitch system. The tongue is the part of the trailer which extends forward from the trailer body and includes the coupler. The coupler is the connecting device mounted at the front of the trailer tongue that connects directly to the hitch ball on the vehicle. All trailers should be equipped with safety chains or safety cables. One end is permanently attached to the trailer tongue while the other end connects to the vehicle's hitch or structural part of the tow vehicle. These also have a retaining feature to prevent the hook from self-detaching that must be present. Lesson 2. Your hitch system. Understanding your hitch system involves confirming weight ratings and sizes of various hitch system components. Each hitch system component is labeled with a weight rating, and the diameter is stamped on a hitch ball and on the trailer coupler. In general, diameter sizes should be the same. For example, a 2-inch coupler generally requires a 2-inch hitch ball. Each component will either have the rating stamped on it or on a decal. All hitch component ratings must be higher than the total expected weight of the trailer and its cargo. For example, if the intended weight of your cargo is 1,000 pounds and your empty trailer weighs 2,000 pounds, the lowest rated component in your hitch system must exceed 3,000 pounds. Lesson 3. How to properly hook up a trailer. Now that we've determined our hitch components can tow our expected load, we're ready to hook up the trailer to the towing vehicle. First, make sure to choose a level surface where you will hook up the trailer. If you will be backing up the tow vehicle to complete your hookup, ensure the trailer is immobilized. Never allow yourself to be distracted when hooking up the trailer to the towing vehicle. In other words, don't stop until the hookup process is complete. Trailers can have different couplers. This trailer has a latch-style coupler. Make sure the latch is in the up position. Lower the coupler onto the hitch ball. Close the latch, normally pivot it 90 degrees. Add a latch pin to prevent the latch from coming up. Let's be sure the trailer is securely on the ball. The trailer is attached properly. This trailer has a hand wheel coupler. Ensure the hand wheel is fully loosened or backed off. Lower the coupler onto the hitch ball. Ensure that the ball clamp is loose below the coupler and not caught by the hitch ball. Turn the hand wheel clockwise until the bolt is protruding above the hand wheel and that the hand wheel is tight. Let's be sure the trailer is securely on the ball. The trailer is attached properly. Drop and tow coupler. Ensure the release lever is down. Lower the coupler onto the hitch ball. The coupler automatically latches onto the hitch ball. Make sure the release lever is in the fully down position. Be sure you understand how the parts connect and function. If you have questions, refer to the instructions provided with your trailer. If you require further assistance, get advice from someone who is familiar with how the system operates, or contact the trailer manufacturer. Once the hitch ball and coupler are properly connected, attach the safety chains or safety cables to the tow vehicle. Crisscross the chains beneath the coupler. Then, either clip the hooks onto the hitch attachment points, or route the chains through the holes on the hitch. Last, adjust the chains so there is adequate slack for turning without having the chains drag on the ground, and then secure the chain hooks. First, crisscross the cables beneath the coupler. Then clip the hooks onto the hitch attachment points or vehicle structure. Unlike chains, cables only attach directly to the hitch or vehicle and do not attach back onto themselves. Now that we have the safety chains connected, let's talk about trailer lights. All trailers must be equipped with working lights to operate on roadways. You will need to connect a wiring harness from the trailer to the tow vehicle to operate the lights on the trailer. The type of connection may vary depending on your tow vehicle and trailer. Some vehicles may even require a separate adapter. Consult your tow vehicle and trailer owner's manuals, or speak with your trailer sales representative or trailer rental agent to determine the type of connection you may need. Once you have the right connector or adapter, connect the wiring harness from the trailer to the tow vehicle. Now let's check that all the lights work. Running lights, brake lights, left turn signal, right turn signal. Okay, we are ready to go. Before driving and at each fuel stop, walk around the tow vehicle trailer combination, stopping to check hitch and coupler tightness, safety chain attachments, lights and tires. While driving, if you suspect any issues, stop at a safe place completely off the highway or road away from traffic to identify and correct the issue. Lesson 4. Braking systems. Some trailers are equipped with brakes and some are not. All brake trailers will have an extra chain or cable to attach before the hookup is complete. This third cable or chain will actuate the trailer's brakes automatically in the unlikely event that the trailer separates from the tow vehicle. This trailer does not have brakes. Braking is solely provided by the tow vehicle. This trailer is equipped with hydraulic brakes. These brakes automatically apply and slow the trailer down whenever the towing vehicle decelerates. That means whenever the driver presses the brake pedal, the coupler of the trailer moves and automatically applies proportionate braking for the trailer. This trailer is equipped with electronic brakes. Electronic trailer brakes require an electric trailer brake controller in the tow vehicle. The electronic trailer brakes controller must be adjusted according to the load of the trailer. Please refer to the electronic trailer brakes controller instructions for proper setup of the trailer brakes. Once properly adjusted, the electronic trailer brakes controller will apply appropriate and proportional braking to the trailer's electronic brakes based on the braking of the tow vehicle. Lesson 5. Proper loading and securing your load. Now we are going to talk about proper loading and how it impacts the overall handling of the tow vehicle trailer combination. Proper loading will result in positive tongue weight. Tongue weight is the load that the tongue of the trailer puts onto the tow vehicle hitch system. Most trailers recommend a tongue weight that is between 10 and 15% of the total trailer weight, but this will vary depending on trailer design. Refer to your trailer owner's manual or speak with your trailer sales representative or trailer rental agent for the proper tongue weight of your trailer. Generally, you will achieve proper loading by loading heavier in the front half of the trailer. Refer to your trailer owner's manual or speak with your trailer sales representative or trailer rental agent for proper loading instructions. Loading is important because of the direct impact on stability of the tow vehicle-trailer combination. As you can see in this video, a properly loaded trailer, one with more weight in the front half of the trailer, is stable, while the improperly loaded trailer, with more weight in the rear half of the trailer, loses control with even minor steering inputs. Trailer sway is the movement of the trailer in response to either natural or driver-induced inputs. Natural causes of trailer sway include hitting a large pothole, driving in high winds, or even being passed by a large tractor trailer. Sway can also be caused by driver inputs such as improper trailer loading, driving at high speeds, excessive steering inputs, or any combination of these. With a properly loaded trailer, the sway should be minor and decrease or damp out on its own. Trailer whipping occurs when sway has reached the point where sway is uncontrollable and an accident may occur. Whipping comes from a trailer that has been loaded improperly, or a driver taking incorrect actions when sway occurs, such as speeding up, steering or braking, or a combination of these. As you can see, how you load your trailer is just as important as hooking it up correctly. Load securement. A good practice, and required by the law in most jurisdictions, is to secure your load with straps or ropes to prevent the load from shifting or falling out of the trailer. Securing the load will prevent shifting of your cargo, damage of your items, maintain a proper cargo loading, and prevent your cargo from falling out of the trailer. Lesson 6. Driving Instructions. Now we are going to give you some general driving instructions while towing a trailer. First things first, don't forget what you learned in the other driving lessons you have already completed. Always wear your seatbelt, don't drive distracted, drowsy, or impaired, obey the rules of the road, etc. You've hooked up the trailer to your tow vehicle, loaded the trailer with more weight loaded heavier in the front, and now you're ready to go. But not so fast. Before you take to the road, it's important to understand that driving a tow vehicle-trailer combination is different than driving a car alone. The tow vehicle-trailer combination is longer and heavier than a car alone. You should always reduce your normal driving speed when towing. When towing a trailer, the maximum recommended speed is generally 55 miles per hour. Refer to your trailer owner's manual or speak with your trailer sales representative or trailer rental agent for speed recommendations, as trailer designs vary. Never exceed the posted speed limit. Slowing down gives you more time to react when you need to stop suddenly or avoid hazards on the roadway. Also, as speed increases, stability decreases. Driving your properly loaded tow vehicle-trailer combination below maximum recommended speeds will help prevent loss of stability, control, or whipping. What do you do when whipping or sway does occur? If sway does occur while you are towing a trailer, always let off the gas pedal. Hold the steering wheel in a straight ahead position and do not brake. This will allow the trailer to stop swaying naturally. Never brake or speed up. That will make the sway worse and even turn into uncontrollable whipping. How much braking time or following distance do I need? Your tow vehicle-trailer combination is heavier and longer than your car alone, requiring more time and distance to stop or pass. Always leave extra time and distance to react or brake to a stop when towing a trailer. A good rule is to use the 4-second following rule, but if weather or road conditions are bad, use 4 seconds or more. Simply watch the vehicle ahead of you as it passes a fixed object and count 1001, 1002, 1003, etc. A tow vehicle-trailer combination also requires more time and distance if you need to pass. Have plenty of clear highway ahead before attempting to pass another vehicle, and never pass on hills or curves. What do I do when towing down hills? Always slow down before going downhill. Shift to a lower gear to help maintain your speed, and never ride the brakes on downgrades. Use lower transmission gears instead. This will reduce the load on the tow vehicle brakes and help prevent overheating them. A good rule is to go down the hill in the same gear you had to use to go up the hill. Turning sharp corners requires a wider than normal turning radius to prevent the trailer tire from hitting the curb or running over the curb. To do this, drive slightly past your normal turning point, then turn to the outside of the lane you are entering. A little practice will show you how to do this. Lesson 7. Backing up. If you've never towed a trailer before, backing up can be confusing, even intimidating. It doesn't have to be. Keep your hand at the bottom of the steering wheel. Look over your shoulder through the rear window. To move the trailer left, move your hand left. To move to the right, move your hand to the right. If the trailer starts to jackknife, stop. Pull ahead to straighten out, then try it again. Of course, if you plan ahead when parking, you can have a clear forward exit, so you may not have to back up after all. Having a spotter is also good practice. They can advise you and help in backing up and maneuvering close to other objects. Ensure that the spotter is clear of the path of the tow vehicle trailer combination, but visible to you. Lesson 8. Summary. Trailering is a safe, economical, and sustainable solution for a multitude of tasks for millions of people. To make sure your trailering experience is a positive one, remember these rules. Hitch system components ratings must be greater than the total trailer weight. Hook up properly and double check the connections, including the chains or cables and lights. Load the trailer heavier in the front half or differently if the trailer manufacturer specifies a specific loading criteria. Secure your load. Reduce your normal driving speed. Increase your following distance. Slow down before going downhill. Drive downhill in a lower gear, not riding your brakes. Turn around sharp corners with a wider than normal turning radius. When backing up, hold onto the bottom of the steering wheel. Always wear your seatbelt. You may think that towing a trailer is something that you may never do, but there are so many uses for trailers. It's possible that you might have the need to rent a trailer for a do-it-yourself project, or have the opportunity to tow a trailer to haul camping gear for a weekend. Or you could be like tens of thousands of kids who use a trailer for the first time to move their stuff into a dorm heading off to college. When you do tow a trailer, use the information you've learned in these lessons, and it's a good idea to practice a bit before heading down the highway. Thanks and safe trailering.